Cheyenne, I already made dinner, so you don't have to worry about cooking anything for you and the baby, okay?
Whatever.
Babes, you want to drive or you want me to drive?
It's better if you drive. I'm not really in the mood to drive right now.
Alright, let's see how it. Cheyenne, I really appreciate the fact that you watch your sister for me while we go out, alright?
Alright, Daddy.
When she get tired, just give her a buckle. And she'll go right to sleep. You're not for really worry about none. She want easy baby to deal with. If you have any issue, just call the neighbor and she'll come over and come help you. She's a nice woman. May leave some extra money so you can buy snacks.
Alright, Daddy, me gets it, okay? Daddy, bring me back cheat chicks. And a big bunks of bunks.
Daddy, I bring you back everything what you want. Okay?
I can't leave, no, you know? I have everything under control.
Your mother told me say you start work at the pharmacy. How's that going for you?
Daddy, I don't want to talk about it, okay?
Sean, let's go. We're going to be late.
Alright, move forward. Cheyenne, thanks again for watching your sister for me, alright? I really appreciate it.
Alright, bye, Daddy. Jesus Christ, I'm finally gone. My God. Hi, baby. Yeah, you can't forward now. Them gone. Alright, don't forget to bring the condom then, okay? Yeah, man. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna put her in her room and lock the door. Yeah. Alright, come.
My mouth smell good, don't it? So want to bring the little girl in the room so we can get free on no?
Alright, stay here so and don't come out, okay? Behave yourself. Let me get your candy. Bitch! You know, I feel like your wife is... She's cutting my hours on purpose.
The Peter day should get the night shift. That's why I give Peter the night shift.
I need more days to work. Or me gonna make money. You should keep on. I give Peter all my hours them. You need to talk to her about it. That woman don't like me, no?
I pulled out research and jealous of you when I was there. She jealous of you. Look how you're beautiful. Question on why you work anymore. Well, she can't fire you. She can't fire you. On my business on the fair one.
Every time she come into the store, she act like say me I steal something. Why would I steal from a job? Like, me really get tired of your wife. You can't make she stop come there. Like, why she have to come there? It's not like she working there with you. It's your pharmacy, it's not fair one.
Don't worry about it, babes. She'll go foreign for 2 months. We'll visit her mother. She's not been here on them. We ain't have to worry about nothing. And before she leave me, we'll sit some different type of rules. She's not been seen on no. And when on my place, it's not a fair one.
Finally, at least now I can't come at your house and we're not going to hotel.
You send email about massage, please, baby.
So what, that's how you pack shelf? Eh? You think that's the appropriate way to pack the item? Where's Peter Gay? Eh? Where's Peter Gay? Why is this girl working here? Why you hire this girl? You need to hire someone else. She doesn't know what she's doing. She doesn't even know how to pack the shelves correctly. Where you get this girl from? Eh? I'm going on the road.
Alright, hon, later.
Why you didn't say anything? You saw she had gone with me. What did I do that was wrong? I packed the shelves them correctly.
Don't PR no wine, baby. That's all she is. She's just miserable. Oh, well. With her syphilis, we talked one, alright? Don't let you bunny and wing it yet.
Every time she come in here, you realize that she have never have nothing good for say about me yet? I hate her.
Listen, why would I go to the back room? I know, make you feel better, alright? Go on, do that.
Alright. You know, dog, I feel like you try to avoid all this, you know. Throw your wife, you know, confront her and make her know to back off of me.
Come and make you prefer ice cream cone.
You gotta use your tongue like... Walk on here, so. Where's... Dog? How you going around leaving the place unattended? What is wrong with you? Look like you're losing your mind. This is just a miserable bitch.
Cheyenne.
I want to you. But just get back from working and I want to sleep. What are you here for? What do you want?
May I come in the house? Your mother there home, right? Make sure I sleep on her back. Come on some front. You give me the pum pum or not?
Yeah, idiot. I'm tired. I just come from work. Use your head now. I look at your ear. Your ear look away.
You know, you don't fear disrespect bad man, so I'm Cheyenne. You know, you're my baby, I love you. When you make me get a baby, your mother.
Look like you a loose brain cell. Me don't want a pitney right now. Me a work. Me want money. Me want car. Clothes. Baby now do nothing for me. I want to you. Go breed somebody else. Diane? You alright? Hey, how was work today? I'm so sick and tired of that woman day. She always a stress. What here do you know, eh? You want me go down there? Look, don't worry about nothing, alright? Mommy, she always cuss me. Don't pay her no mind. You make it sound easy. I'm just tired. Alright? I just want go work and just do what I have to do. But Doc bring me out the other day and it was so fun, mommy. Listen, she's just jealous of you because him like him more. Don't pay her no mind, Zion. Alright? Sorry I'm late. Tell the lady at the shop she don't listen, you know. I told her don't put no peanut powder in my smoothie. Like she tried to kill me or something. I told her I'm allergic to peanut. I don't know what's wrong with her. She look at her and try to sue her ass. Anyways, I have to go to the kids in school. I'll see you later on.